Man, that was really, 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 really bad. We'll try again. Guys, you know, this is a hard game, so yeah. It's really hard unless you are a real player. And you might see me hitting into many objects. Anyway, by the way, I actually don't care if I go into many objects, cause like I can get more damage and stuff. So yeah, it's easy. Well, guys, if you hear any noises in the background, don't this isn't really my fault if you hear noises in the background. Now I'm going to upgrade to twin. Now I can shoot 2 times. And anyway, twin's actually better than way better than. Oh jeez, oh man, that thing can do a lot of damage. So I don't want to run away there. And if you imagine why I'm shooting like non-stop, then that's just because I put auto fire on, which means I'll be shooting forever. And this is way better than machine guns because you get what? If I destroy him, I get dang it, no. Seeing like this is a hard game, so but still it's like pretty fun and stuff. Wait, and if I was silent at the start, I gotta tell you that this game is actually called DPO. So if you like this, then go play it. I'm going to play tag, cause that's pretty fun too. Playing tag's pretty fun. Okay. And very quickly I go like this. It's quite surprising that I can do this like really easily. And anyway, by the way, if you play this game on like tag, if you play tag, then if you get killed by other players, you go on their team too. So if you like it, like it. If you hear that alarm, then just ignore it. Okay, guys. That's kind of like meant for me to stop playing games, but like, woohoo, we won the game. You see it? Yeah, we won the game. Woohoo, yeah. Okay, the arena's closed now. Arena closed, no players can join. Mommy, I'm reading. You can hear me. Oh, Jesus. Okay, guys, so this is like that. Anyway, if you saw the arena close a guy, then that's not actually a real player. So I'm gonna play survival and see what that's like. Okay, so we're waiting for players. Actually, nah, doesn't matter. I'll just go on FFA. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna do it. Wait, is there plays? Oh no, this one's like free for all or something. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be hard. I'll just knock into it. Okay, put water fire on. You know, this is kinda like my first thing, guys. Alright, so it's actually quite near to the end, but so like I'm just telling you guys that it's near to the end, so that was mine. By the way, I got that. Wait, I'm the only blue guy here. Ah, man, I'm out of here. Wait. No. Jesus! Well, anyway, guys. Bye.